Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the blog. It's your boy J Spence and this is J Spence TV. Welcome back. So today is another install day. I'm actually going to be lowering the car. Stock height is cool and all, but I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna lower it. But before I lower it, let me show you some goodies that came in the mail. So first one's going to be radium. Like I said, I'm in love with these radium products. Don't remember which item this is, but it is for the fuel system. Another radium product. Oh, this is the fuel pressure gauge. So I got this for the fuel rail, and this one is the fuel pressure dampener or damper, whatever it's called. So I got those two. You do know about the wastegate that I got. The oil filter sandwich plate. I got that as well. The HKS blow valve. The kit for the fuel pump, because we didn't have it. The pump didn't come with. It's kind of weird how you order a fuel pump, but it doesn't come with the stuff, the accessories like the wire, the filter, connectors, all that. And last but not least, the main part, my doucheworks, however you say it, the injectors. These are 1500 cc's, so it's exciting. But once I'm done here lowering the car, I will go drop this off at the shop. Hopefully I have enough time and it doesn't take me too long to lower the car. I mean, I've done lowering springs before on my on my Mazda 6 that I used to have, and on my 3IS. My 1IS had coilover, so yeah. But let's get to it. Let's get this car lowered, and I see when I get inside because it's windy and hopefully it doesn't take too long.
next day.
I'm back. Well, yeah, I'm back. So today's the next day. I actually got all the springs installed without any hassle. It was a breeze. I didn't record much because I was on a time crunch, so I had to hurry up and get things done because I had other things to take care of after that. So yeah, I got it done. So far it rides very smooth, soft, no bouncing around or anything like that. But I do need an alignment, or I don't know. I mean, I know I do need an alignment, but I can't tell how bad it is because it's pretty windy out here and it's like pushing me. It was pushing the car like crazy when I was driving home. So yeah, let's get out the car. Let me show you what it looks like. The hood definitely needs to go. Still waiting. Yo, what's so good for the little truck right here? Thinking about going up to some 18s with a similar size tire, but 18, maybe a little bit smaller. Well, so it sits pretty nice. I'm not complaining. Look, that's it. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure this is a short video, really short video. It's just tried to take care of everything and not try and stop and vlog and work and whatnot in between. So I'd rather just take care of it and get it done so I can actually get on with my day. But yeah, like always, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and stay tuned to the next video.